Hello to all dear friends and companions. I'm Hamza Asadi. In this tutorial, I'm going to change the custom boot priority to boot the system through USB flash. The key used to enter the BIOS screen in PC is mainly the delete key, and for laptops, it is the F2 key. For direct access to the boot menu, in most laptops, the F12 key is used. Let's see how we can apply the changes. At first, when we turn on the system, we enter the BIOS setting page by pressing the F2 key. One of the most used BIOS firmware is SecureCore Technology. In this tutorial, we will examine a Lenovo laptop that uses this firmware. Then we go to the boot tab with right key. The first option specifies the type of boot, legacy or boot through BIOS, and the second option is boot through UEFI, that is newer version of BIOS firmware. Boot priority determines the order in which devices are checked for bootable operating system. When you set UEFI first as the boot priority, the BIOS will look for UEFI-compatible bootable devices before checking the legacy option. In order to be able to boot the system via USB flash, USB boot must be enabled. We have nothing to do with the boot to PXE. It's used for networks and to be able to install the operating system through domain networks and servers like WDS. In the lower part, we have boot priority order. We see the equipment through which the system can be booted. To change the boot layout of the system, as we can see on the right side, we go to the desired device with the arrow keys, and then we can use the hyphen and plus keys. The arrangement of the device we want, which is USB flash here, is moved. Let's do it and bring it to the highest part and rank 1 to have maximum of priority. At the end, by pressing the F10 key and enter it on yes, save the settings. One faster method and shortcut to access boot options using the F12 key and the boot menu part is. We press the F12 key, the boot menu will open for us. Using the arrow keys on the target device to boot and press enter button. Our system through that will boot. I hope you liked this tutorial. Please support me by like and subscribe. And since English is not my main language, if you see any problem with wording or pronunciation, I would be very grateful if you let me know in the comment section. Thanks.